Building a Shopify store is surprisingly simple, but doing it right takes strategy. Start by signing up on Shopify and picking a plan that fits your budget. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand, then customize it using Shopify's drag-and-drop editor. Make sure your homepage is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Add your products with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Now, let's move on to configuring your payment methods. You can choose from Shopify Payments, PayPal, or various third-party gateways. It's important to set up shipping options based on your target audience to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Don't forget to create essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Refund Policy. These pages are crucial for building trust with your customers, so make sure you take the time to set them up properly. Once your store looks solid, it's time to market like a pro. Get the word out and attract customers by using effective marketing strategies. Optimize your product listings with SEO-friendly keywords so people can find you on Google. Use Shopify apps to boost conversions. Think email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, and upselling tools. Leverage social media ads, influencers, and content marketing to drive traffic. Test everything. Tweak your site speed, improve your checkout process, and track analytics to see what's working. Finally, launch with confidence and keep optimizing. Your Shopify success depends on constant improvement and smart marketing.